Come back to me. You'd never hurt me. At least you are my best friend. My best friend. No, come on. What are you doing? Knock it off! Stop! Snap out of it!